Good morning, Lakeland friends. It is bright, it's beautiful, it's sunshiny Saturday here, Milton, Wisconsin. So, I figured, what a better day to take a tour. Today is going to be this beautiful elevation with a gorgeous porch right off the bat. I mean, hello, gorgeous. Diamond coat siding. Beautiful 3-window patio here. Let's go on in. So it is a 2006 5 Series floor plan 103 with some absolutely stunning features. I mean, just catches your eye from the outside all the way in. Oh, I love that entertainment center. It really has a beautiful homey feel. And how fun is this? Random drawer in the mantle. Yeah. I always think that's so fun. Let's go take a little look-see at the rest of the unit here. Tons of cabinetry, rolling island, solid surface counter there. Beautiful contrast in colors. We have slate GE appliances, apron sink. We'll head down here. Famous question. Yes, it is washer and dryer prepped. Let's head down this way. And then we have a hanging closet there. Bathroom with pocket doors. The solid surface continues in here. Residential toilet. Glass shower door in here. There is a second door here with a little hideaway staircase there, which we will go take a look at. So you'll notice all the headroom here in this beautiful bedroom because the loft is only over the bathroom here, which we'll go up and look. So you have head clearance in here and lots of closet space. Let's go up and take a look at the loft. So you still have a good sized loft up here. Let's look over the edge here just to get another view. Oh, breathtaking. Come visit us, Lakeland RV Center, Milton, Wisconsin. Can't wait to see you. Have a good day.